In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Germany to the Philippines on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. Make sure you're signed in and ready to begin the transfer. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. This is where you choose where the money will be sent. Click on that country setting and select the Philippines as your receiving country. After that, click Send Money to move to the transfer setup. At this point, you'll choose who you're sending money to. If the recipient is already saved in your contacts, the process is very simple. Just click on their saved contact and continue. If they are not already listed, click New Contact instead. You'll then need to select their country, which in this case should be the Philippines. This helps Remitly prepare the correct transfer options for that destination. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to double-check the value before moving on. Depending on the platform, you may also see the estimated amount the recipient will get, along with any fees or exchange rate information. This is useful because it helps you confirm exactly what you're sending and what the other person can expect to receive. After entering the amount, select the delivery method. This step determines how the recipient will receive the money. Be sure to choose the option that matches what the recipient can access easily. Once that's done, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the method that works best for you and make sure the details are up to date. Then, click Continue. On the next screen, enter the recipient's account details carefully. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Even a small mistake in the account information could delay the transfer, so it's worth reviewing everything before submitting. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transfer. Remitly will guide you through any remaining confirmation steps until the money is successfully sent. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to review all the details one last time, including the recipient, amount, delivery method, and payment method. And that's it. That's how to send money from Germany to the Philippines on Remitly.